AtomicHub Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The AtomicHub Wallet app has become a go-to choice for NIFT collectors and Web enthusiasts, but does it truly live up to the hype? Today, we're breaking down the pros, the cons, and what most people don't realize about AtomicHub. Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage of AtomicHub is its deep integration with the Wax blockchain. This means transactions are fast, energy efficient, and cost almost nothing. It's one of the most user-friendly entry points into the world of digital collectibles and blockchain gaming. The app allows users to buy, sell, and trade NIFs instantly with a built-in marketplace that connects you to thousands of verified projects. You can even mint your owns directly from the wallet. No coding required. Another strength is ease of access. AtomicHub works seamlessly in browsers and supports quick sign-ins through wallets like Wax Cloud Wallet or Anchor. For beginners, it's an incredibly simple setup. Security is also a major plus. While it operates in a semi-custodial way depending on the wallet connection, AtomicHub itself doesn't store your keys, meaning your assets remain under your control. But there are some cons to consider. First, blockchain limitations. Because it's built around Wax, your assets are locked to that ecosystem. You can't easily transfer or view them on Ethereum or Polygon without using third-party bridges. Another issue is limited liquidity. While AtomicHub has an active market, not every NIFT or token finds a bar quickly. Prices can fluctuate heavily, and demand depends on the Wax network's popularity. Finally, the user interface, while simple, can feel clunky on mobile compared to newer NIFT wallets that offer sleeker designs and cross-chain compatibility. In conclusion, the AtomicHub Wallet app is an excellent choice for NIFT fans focused on Wax collectibles and gaming assets. The surprising truth? It's not about being flashy, it's about being functional. For anyone exploring the Wax ecosystem, AtomicHub is a reliable, fast, and affordable starting point.